Welcome to the best sled ever. I based this sled off of a design that I found online, and I just kind of went from photographs. It has a Dyneema pull string, it has solid oak construction, it has steam bent laminated rails, it has stainless fastenings, it has Kevlar on the bottom of the skis, of course it has hand bent metal brackets. It's the best sled ever. Is it fast? Oh yeah, of course it's fast. It's the best sled ever. Does it handle? Yeah, it takes corners just fine. And I built it all myself. If you want to see my video, you can look for it online. It's called Building the Ram's Horn Sled. You can find it on my channel or on Totalboat's channel. And I kind of go through every step so you too could make the best sled ever. Thanks for checking it out.